Hi, welcome all. I think. Good morning, and let's see you. Yeah, okay, people are still joining. I'll add them, give them 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, admitting few more. Okay, so let's see what we had on our plate last week. Right, so we had key support levels where this was taken, and from there we bounced and we broke all of this. Okay, so all of this were broken, and the major level was 13,800 on the budget day. Once that was taken, we saw the rally how it made, you know, and 31,700 as I was specifying also on the budget day. If this is crossed, we will see 33,000 soon, and that happened the same day. My soon was never, the same day. Okay, but this is market, and as I had said, market is the king of market. It can do what it wants, right? And we are now at 36,000. We are not even at 33, and that is where we will see seeing all of those things regularly. So we had the target of 36,660 yesterday in the morning, and the high was 36,640, right? And that again was on the trend line where I had very clearly specified you will see retracement post the target is achieved, because it was a major trend line resistance that we had on the charts, right? So I know that there was some discussion right now in the morning that if there is such charts, do send us. But I had sent a proper trend line, I think, a day back, and if you would have seen that, I had also mentioned 36,000 approaching soon, right? So that was already there, and I don't know why the chart again was needed, but it's okay. I will try if we're available in the office, and I'll do it. But yesterday morning I was not at all in office. I came to office at around 11:30 as my son's 10th board exams are going on. Okay, so that's why I was with him, and had to drop him to school. No doubt, the school is just opposite to the office, but had to wait for him. Okay, and we saw all the stocks. So I didn't give you any stock last week. One stock which I had on my mind on Monday, on Tuesday was this, and it gave the result on Tuesday itself. Okay, but I didn't give this stock because there was some difference of opinion between me and Paresh, because he thought it is still at resistance, and I never saw any resistance. But that's why I didn't give you this. Okay, but this is how normally we would trade. Okay, so let's start today's analysis. I will give this as now starting 8th of Feb. Okay, someone has some query, not sure. Hello. Yeah, hello. Okay, so let's start now where we are with the markets, by the way. Alright, so this is like top bottom. I just gave yesterday's levels. Now let's go to the basics. Let's go to Nifty first. Okay, so let's go to Nifty. Nifty has got, if you look at it, good morning, Prathamesh. So basically, we have a doji at all-time high. Okay, so we have a doji at all-time high, and this can be two things. One can be some retracement now in the market, or if the doji high is crossed, I will be not surprised the rally continues. Okay, so there can be two things possible now. On daily, it shows, some stoppage or a
Good
doji.
morning, sir.
Good morning, Mahendra. So doji at all-time high would be, a chance of retracement, and we might retrace till this level of 14,700, which was the CIP as well. So there is a chance on daily we can now come till this, and it would be good. We have already closed our open long position on in Nifty yesterday on top bottom, right? So booking some 300 odd points, I think that is good enough to book right now, because we are at a new all-time high, and there is a doji at that place. Okay, So mainly my concern was doji. As I saw the doji, I just said, that we need to book the profits. Okay, so that is one thing. Now let's see on weekly what it shows. It shows a very good candle. Okay, it's a bull sash. So bull sash with a huge volume. It's not something to go that easily, but there is also some 5 bar bearish divergence. Okay, you can clearly see RSI is around 79 and here it is 73. So there is a clearly a 5 bar bearish divergence set up on Nifty. Okay, and monthly crosses the shooting star high. It again takes almost a 60 support and bounces back. So my view on monthly last week also I had said, though it's a shooting star, okay, we will have to see what it does, because main thing is if the shooting star high is crossed, it can now be, okay, it can now be a momentum trade in the opposite direction. So instead of now bearish in nature, this will become too bullish. Okay, so and my view is, I know everyone is listening to me since now 6 to 8 months, and I've been saying that we are bullish, we are bullish. Okay, and this was done, I had said, on basis of volumes and candlesticks that the bottoms are made on 15th April. Okay, now again last week I was saying about this as a last engulfing. Now if you recollect, see, I had explained to you very clearly with respect to even uh, volumes on this, right? So if you had seen this, okay, I'd said that this is the bearish engulfing candle, but bearish engulfing with a volume at support and at this level, it can be the last engulfing. So this is where we were saying that. Um, so is everyone not able to listen, or it is only the issue with Abhishek?
We can hear you.
You can hear, right? Okay. So if I'm audible, I think we are fine. Okay. थापा, 1 बजे तेरे को कॉल करता हूँ, ये ग्लास अपने को साफ करने का, अभी नहीं होएगा, 1 बजे कॉल करता हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज वेर सी, आप लोग ने सबने कैंडलस्टिक्स पैटर्न हमारे साथ अगर किया रहेगा, तो मैं हमेशा वो चीज़ करवाता हूँ. एंगल्फिंग के बाद आई ऑल्सो गिव यू इंट्रोडक्शन टू लास्ट एंगल्फिंग, एंड आई हैड वेरी क्लियरली स्टेटेड लास्ट संडे ऑल्सो that this is the last engulfing, because the volume said so at 40 support, weekly was at 60 support, monthly was above 60. So this was the sign of a last engulfing. Okay. Okay, JK. Okay, yeah. Can you specify your name, because I would like to give you that touch. Okay, JK Jitesh. Acha, Jitesh bhai. Okay, see, red and green does not have any significance also, because it is gross volume. Okay, always consider it as a gross volume. So volume कभी कुछ बताता नहीं है. Okay, इसके लिए मेरा चार्ट में आपको ब्लू ही दिखेगा. वॉल्यूम वॉल्यूम होता है यार, बेचने वाला वॉल्यूम. एंड सेकेंड थिंग विच आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, अभी पूरा लास्ट ए वीक नहीं, उसके पहले एवरी डे समवन वाज पोस्टिंग एफआईआई सेल फिगर्स. मेरे को एक चीज बताओ, वो डेटा तुमको क्या हेल्प किया? You were bearish in the market before budget, I was bullish. But now tell me what actually the market did. So that's why I'm saying, do not see the figures which are not in your hand. It is a display thing which is manipulated, and you should not be seeing that. I don't even see Greeks, I don't even see open interest, because open interest market बंद होने के बाद भी वो figures change होता है. किसी ने देखा है क्या वो? अगर मार्केट बंद है तो ओपन इंटरेस्ट कैसे चेंज हुआ, वो तो समझो. So that's why we keep saying that look at the charts, they speak everything. And this was the last engulfing which I had explained, and then see, this is a bull sash. Okay, then it continues with a gap up. Then it keeps going with two small candles again, and then a doji. So this, yes, 15,000 was our target. I think 2 week पहले भी अपना वही target था, 15,000 आ गया है, right? And now there can be some stop here, or maybe it will still go on, because if you look at this type of a trend line, okay, it is currently touching almost 15,500 के ऊपर जाएगा ये. अगर ये ट्रेंड लाइन में इसको कंटिन्यू करूंगा, okay, this will go still above. See, if I continue the same slope के साथ अगर मैं कंटिन्यू भी करूंगा ना, this is going this way. So still we have room over here. Say 15,200 and now next week it goes to 15,300. कभी टच करेगा उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. So this still has room, still a steam in it. Okay, so this still is looking good, but now the only issue is this 5 bar bearish divergence on weekly. So we'll need to see what it does. My expectation is some retracement, and we should be able to see that. Okay, if it retraces a bit, okay, it's going to be good because I am looking forward for CIP over 14,700 once. Okay, so let's see if that happens, but it looks to me still bullish. Okay, there is see no, there is some further room even on monthly. If I go to see this, and if you recollect, I had said that we are at a good retracement. Sorry, this is where it was. See, I told you we are at 25% of retracement. Okay, we are now bouncing from here. So now, if the extension, if you go to see, okay, the first extension would be this, which we are almost done, 15,200, 15,187. Then comes 15,654. See, ये मैं आपको पहले से भी दिखा रहा था, and that is what I was showing you, that markets are not here to settle. Okay, किसी ने कल भेजा वो बुल ऊपर चढ़ गया, वो उतरेगा कैसे? अरे उसको उतारने की जरूरत क्या है तुमको? उसको ऊपर ही रहने दो, ये पूरा साल ऊपर ही रहेगा, जो होना है वो कर लो. सी इन रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट मैंने ये भी एक्सप्लेन किया था कि बजट एक बार 5 साल में एक बार एक अच्छा बजट आता है. वी हैड नॉट गॉट एनी गुड बजट सो फार. Second thing was COVID had hit the economy, and for that, the government had to give a good budget, and they delivered a very good budget, more than anyone would have expected, right? And that is the reason why the markets are just soared last entire week, right? So even though, see, I would say fundamental को मारो गोली मार के, एक्चुअली तो मार्केट अभी भी सब जगह पे मंदी चल रही है, ये है वो है, पैसा रोटेशन में नहीं है. एक बात तो समझो कि आज छोटे से छोटा आदमी भी म्यूचुअल फंड में पैसा डालता है. अगर हर एक स्क्रिप्स भागेगा, म्यूचुअल फंड्स का फंड्स भागेगा, they are going to make money. If they get the money, that is where the source lies for the entire country to get back that money of rotation. And this is what I was saying since I think last 6 months, that market will soar. And my reason is this: आज सब पूरा world is facing the issue, and if the world is facing the issue, no country in the world can start minting money without any proper procedure. नहीं तो सबका currency भी devalue होएगा. So now the only place where they can make money without doing anything is keep soaring the markets. And that is what is happening, and that is what will keep happening this entire year. That's why I'm saying कि पूरा जो soaring है, it fundamentally किसी के दिमाग में नहीं बैठेगा. And I agree, क्योंकि मैं ग्राउंड रियलिटी भी देख रहा हूँ. इधर ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी आई नो पीपल आर फेसिंग इश्यूज टू पे दैट 7,500 फॉर बैंक निफ्टी ऑप्शंस. And I know that we have been also hit in the training also, but that does not mean that the markets will fall down. Ground reality is different, agreed, but this is the only source that also we need to understand, right? And that is the main reason why the markets are soaring. So we saw also it was at 25% of retracement, and from there it has bounced back, right? So let's have a write up on this, and now this again becomes a diamond category. Okay, so now we have this as a diamond index again. So सब golden diamond चला गया था, एक ही झटके में सब वापस. So सुनार की एक लोहार की हो गया ये तो. So now let's see. Okay, so diamond index daily doji at all time high. Okay, weekly 5 bar bearish डाइवर्जेंस सेटअप है. हाँ, उसको सेटअप को बेरिश समझ के शॉर्ट करना चालू मत करो वापस. नो, इट कैन नॉट बी. भाई पहले समझो कॉन्सेप्ट एंड देन यू स्पीक. दैट इज नॉट राइट. ओके, इट इज नॉट एट ऑल एंगल्फिंग बाय द वे. इट इज अ बुल सेश. इट्स अ बुल सेश, इट्स नॉट एंगल्फिंग. ओके, सो इट्स एक्चुअली अ बुल सेश एंड नॉट एन एंगल्फिंग. एंगल्फिंग नीचे से चालू होता है, and it is not last engulfing at all, because it is something which is with the good volumes and a breakout on a new rally from 25% retracement. ओके, यहाँ पे लास्ट एंगल्फिंग नहीं आता, वो एकदम ऊपर आना चाहिए। हाय भगवान, दर्श एंगल्फिंग सट्टा, लेकिन क्या बोला, रिट्रेसमेंट बाउंस फ्रॉम 25%। okay, so this is what we are seeing, and monthly above last month shooting star. Okay, and I had said, I think मैंने मंडे को ही बोल दिया था, looking at the volumes and the things, we might see a new rally start, and that rally is already started and it has already done too much damage. Now resistances will have to see. First resistance is going to be 15,000. Okay, 15,200 as we saw on the charts, and then I think 15,600 के ऊपर था, वो 650 के आसपास. So these are going to be the resistance. Support now changes to this, then 14,350, and now 14,100 can be again a good support. ओके, जहाँ से बाउंस बैक किया था जब भी फॉल आया था, एंड अगर ये सब टूटेगा तो देन वापस आई डोंट थिंक सो 13,500 तक उसको जाने का जरूरत भी पड़ेगा अभी. ओके, सो लेट्स सी दिस. नाउ लेट्स गो टू बैंक निफ्टी, एंड आई थिंक लास्ट वीक मैंने बोला भी था कि 12,500 तो आना ही नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट इज द मेन थिंग. सी दिस डज नॉट स्टिल हैज अ ब्रीदर. इसमें देखो 73 75 ये तो गया काम से. Okay, nothing. It has got a doji, or you can say, somewhere like a shooting star. If it gaps down, we might see a rally till 33, and I'm expecting this to come till 34 once. Okay, so Bank Nifty, I'm expecting it to come down for a breather at least to 34. Okay, and look at this. From resisting 60, we are now well beyond 60. And see the other reason why you can see my 36,660 was the target. Monthly Bollinger Band was also at that level. Okay, this is after yesterday's candle. उसके पहले अगर आप देखोगे तो it was around 36,600 and something. Okay, so that was another level. And the other thing was that trend line which I had drawn. ओके, वो ट्रेंड लाइन मैंने एक्चुअली यहाँ से लेके ड्रॉ किया था, अगर आप चाहोगे तो मिल जाएगा. Okay, so this was again that same trend line which I had said that 36,660 is coming. Okay, so again Bank Nifty looks good. Okay, it is more powerful now than Nifty. Huge volumes, and again see hammer followed by a bull sash. Okay, and again I had said last week that this is also a retracement of 25%. अगर आप देखोगे तो ये देखो exactly 25% पे रुका था, and that's why I said I am not that bearish on markets. But if this is broken, we might see this coming, right? But we bounced from here and we were at a hammer like at 60, and see from there it is the bull slash again, and it takes you till this. So I think तभी 35,000 था, तो मैंने 35,000 बोला था, अभी 36,000 भी चला गया. So now nothing can stop it. Now let's see daily pay what it has done. Okay, because see 2017, if anybody remembers the rally, that rally was a rally where market was auto correcting itself on the same day and then continue the rally again. Okay, and in this case, let's see what it has done. See where we are and why 34 I'm expecting. This is what you should come. So ये यहाँ पे आके अगर बाउंस बैक होती है, ओके, अगर ये यहाँ पे आके बाउंस बैक होती है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी गुड एंड हेल्दी साइन फॉर अस. Okay, and from there we should again start the rally. So Bank Nifty is not going to stop. Okay, looks like good, decent run up now. Okay, and volumes are good overall. Okay, it's not only on one thing, but let's see. So we might see some retracement in the coming week. If it happens, I will be more than happy, because top bottom bank nifty had not given us entry, though we had taken few entries on daily basis, but there had been no entry on top bottom, and that is where I missed the major money. Right, so let's see now bank nifty. And see, this was the 6 week PR, this was their last week. And PRD target was achieved on Monday itself because 33,200 was PRD target. Alright, so ये भी पूरा अभी गायब हो जाएगा. Okay, daily doji at all time high इसमें भी same है. Okay, weekly uh, bull sash resisting upper band. Monthly above 60. This is also diamond index. भाई इसको भी diamond का नाम दे दो. Diamond tropics, diamond comics. ये भी diamond index है. Okay. Now let's change the levels. ये levels तो अभी पता नहीं कब दिखेंगे या कभी शायद दिखेंगे भी नहीं. We don't know. Okay, so this is first level of support resistance. So 36650 first level of resistance, or maybe either हम लोग 36,000. Okay, so this is going to be the first, then 36 it was किधर गया था उधर तक. Okay, and then we will have to see what, but right now दो resistance काफी है. Okay, I don't think so we will see something around it. 25,000 is the first level of support. Then there is a gap here, which is 34,400. उसका upper part क्या है भाई? उसका upper part is 34,600, 34,580, and then the lower part. What is it? 34,350. That is too close. Last is this hope, 33,500 or 33,600. बहुत दूर दूर रहने वाला क्योंकि मार्केट भागा ही ऐसा है. So you can't have close by resistances. और ये तो मैं दे भी नहीं रहा हूँ. तीसरा वाला 37,000 डाल सकते हैं, बट डालने के लिए नहीं डालना है. It's right now still little bit far, but फार बोल नहीं सकता. आजकल 1400 पॉइंट तो एक दिन में मार देता है. ये उगला गया बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी. हमारी गीता और बबीता चलती जा रही है. Okay, now let's see the other indices. So now let's see Nifty IT. Nifty IT is still a little bit lower, but look at this bullish harami at cap support. Okay, so this sector now looks interesting. See, my view is last अगर आप लोग ने last week का पूरा market study किया है, financials had a very good run. रिलायंस, एशियन पेंट, एफएमसीजी लास्ट डे पे थोड़ा चला, बट बाकी एफएमसीजी भी नहीं चल रहा था. सो फार्मा वाज नॉट डूइंग मच. ओके, सो मेजरली इट वाज इंफ्रा एंड banking sector which was running. Okay, now this week we'll see IT running. So my view on Nifty is Nifty will not settle, Bank Nifty will retrace, but Nifty will continue to soar because Nifty is not walking on one leg of Bank Nifty or banks. Okay, it has got multiple legs. So and अगर एक थक जाएगा तो क्या ना मिलके बोझ उठाना है उधर. Okay, so Nifty is going to be more stronger in that sense because it has got multiple sectors to support it. Even metals will see a lot, how metals are poised right now because I think someone posted yesterday Jindal Steel and it was looking good for a breakout. Okay, second thing is even Bharti Airtel will see today because earlier when it was near to the cup breakout, we were citing it. Now we recently had a new high on Bharti Airtel and there can be at the first CIP and now there can be a buy on Bharti Airtel as well. So let's see that also. Okay, so Nifty IT looks good on weekly. It is a bullish harami. Okay, and see again Band walk continues on monthly. Yeah? So band walk still continues on monthly. So there is still a continuation of band walk here. Bullish Karami at gap support. Okay. And daily is at gap support as well. See, this is a good gap up and we are at gap support. Okay, and see, daily also had a bullish harami after this, and this is where it is. So we need to see if it crosses the 20 MA. This will also come till here, this level again at the all-time high. So IT looks good as well. Okay, so let's see, write down that. Either hai Baba. Okay, daily versus MACD support, bullish harami at gap support 60. Okay. Monthly to Baba continuous band walk. Continuous band walk. Okay. So looks good. Let's go to the other. एक मैंने इसको डाल देता हूँ. नहीं तो फोन पे फोन ठोके गए. Let's see the other things. Okay. क्या आया क्या? Infra. Okay, so infra has got, oh, see interesting things on infra. Okay, bounce from 40 support, 60 60 40. See 60, love you, and above 60 and 60. So 60 60 40. Okay, now 60 support taken, but see this also has got a 4 bar bearish divergence. Okay, so you'll have to see, but monthly again see above shooting star. Okay, and also at all time high. Okay, also at all time high, and it is coming out for the first 60 support after breaching 60 on the downside, taking support. It is now on its line for the first 60 support. So infra stocks needs to be seen, and this is where it has got the support as well. So it's all time high and looks good. So infra is looking good, but we don't do the write up of it, so we'll avoid it. But infra stocks, so we'll have to see them as well. Ultra Cam, वापस देखो. Okay, we'll see few of the infra stocks. Now let's move on to the other indices, which we normally see is FMCG. So FMCG again has got Doji at 60 resistance. See this. Okay, so this is the Doji at 60 resistance. Okay, a perfect doji here, and doji is at resistance, so there can be some retracement even in this till the 20 MA perhaps, or if it crosses this, we might see a new high. Weekly, okay, so similar setup. Okay, we have here also. Okay, we might have a bearish divergence setup here also. Okay, but see, this setup is there. Let's see now whether it confirms. So next week, as I'm expecting some retracement because I'm out of all the top bottom. ओके तो मैं मेरे लिए सोच रहा हूँ कि भाई थोड़ा रिट्रेस हो जाए. इंफ्रा इज ऑल्सो डायमंड यस. ओके सो दैट इज वेयर आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि भाई मेरे लिए थोड़ा नीचे सबको एंट्री मिलेगा. This is little bit of, see, this month is yet not over and it is now again starting a band walk, and do not consider this as a bearish divergence. 65.54 and for 64 बाबा monthly candle है, एक ही week हुआ है, month को खत्म होने दो. Okay, so this is not bearish. I would consider this as more bullish because it is now again doing the band walk. Okay, and So FMCG on monthly looks good to me. Weekly थोड़ा bearish है, but we'll have to see whether it confirms. क्योंकि ये देखो इसका confirmation भी ना इसके नीचे होने वाला है, ये कैंडल के नीचे। तो पूरा ये वीक का मेहनत तो कोई फ्री में नहीं जाने देने वाला है। ओके, सो ये तो कोई खाने वाला नहीं है। तो जिस जिसमें भी बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस है ना उसका, सी मेन थिंग इज बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस इज ब्रेक ऑफ द ट्रेंड लाइन, तोड़ के दिखाओ। इसके नीचे जाएगा तभी तुम्हारा रिट्रेसमेंट या चेंज ऑफ ट्रेंड होएगा, उसके पहले तो होने वाला है नहीं। तो ये टूटेगा इतना जल्दी नहीं यार, ये अंबुजा सीमेंट टूटेगा नहीं। ओके, सो दिस लुक्स गुड एंड सी दिस इज व्हाट अगेन देयर वाज अ सीआईपी सब था यार। ये लास्ट वीक भी हम लोग देखे थे कि वी आर एट सीआईपी ऑन एफएमसीजी एंड इट इज बाउंस फ्रॉम देयर। सो trust the charts, and that's why trust the government. They gave a good budget. Okay, so see, all of this had got a black candle, bearish दिख रहा था. Okay, and I think Sandeep is there today also. And Sandeep भी बोल उसने कल last Monday को भी डाला, Sunday को भी डाला था. That means we are looking more bearish, right? But mainly this all were like at support and also around 40 support. हर index 40 पे था, जबकि उसका monthly and weekly was at 60. So this is a good sign. अपना strategy 2A on RSI, right? 40, 60, 60. So this also looks good to me, but only one thing is daily doji at 60 resistance. So high of doji crossed, buy FMCG stocks, otherwise don't do anything. Okay, weekly 4 bar. There is divergence setup. Setup and monthly shooting star को भी cover कर लिया above 60. So now monthly bedrock continues. 60. Okay, so this is how it is. So we are now here. Let's go to pharma. Mr. Dr. Reddy. See, it was a hammer at support. Okay, and from there it has bounced. So I think this is Monday, and then see it has moved up. So hammer at support, and then a buy had triggered. So if you had this, this is a good hammer at support. So this is one thing. See again there is a bull sash here at and now about 60 62. इसमें कुछ bearish divergence का स्कोप भी नहीं है क्योंकि ये बहुत ऊपर है अभी भी। हाँ, ये मंथ अभी चालू हुआ है and see it is again bounce from 60. Okay, so it has again bounced from 60 support. So this is now looking good and it might go above this. So let's see what it does. काफी ऊपर बाकी है. 14,000 is what is the high of all-time high of pharma. We need this to now cross. Okay, let's see. It's looking okay here. It's okay here. It's okay here, but it's approaching 60 on daily. So इसके ऊपर में अगर जाता है, see it has also got a price resistance here. Okay, so there can be somewhere some resistance because this is the cluster here, and that is where we have got high of yesterday. So once this is crossed, we might see this much approaching, and above that again this. So upper band तक जाने का जगह है इसके पास. So let's see. So pharma किधर गया, daily below 40 TL, but at TL support मैंने डाला था, weekly around 60, monthly above 60. Right, so all of this will now change. Daily approaching 60 and also at price resistance. Okay, weekly and monthly bullish. Okay, and see, understand one thing: a higher time frame will always rule. Okay, and that is the main purpose where we are seeing monthly, weekly as well. Okay, so this looks good. And now let me see my favorite sector, the auto. Ottawa. This is the Ottawa. Ottawa has got at an all-time high, and it has also got some bearish divergence. ये गंदा लड़का. Okay, so we have got something here. Okay, it's not exactly outside inside नहीं है, Bollinger Band का setup नहीं है, but this we call it as an M setup. Bollinger Band भी है outside and inside, so volatility divergence. So you can easily see there is a volatility divergence here. There is also RSI divergence here, and there is already in bearish engulfing here. So it has already said, okay, I might come down, and we are already short on Maruti from yesterday. So let's see. ये इधर तक आ सकता है. Okay, इसका target can be this. This is the target. So we might see some retracement and in this sector. So let's see the stocks to short as well. So this is looking little bit haphazard और ये एक सेक्टर थोड़ा bearish है, पर ये भाई साहब यहाँ पे bullish है और 3 बार bearish divergence भी है. Okay, see, it's a very clear 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, and monthly looks fantastic, but again at resistance. So ये 700 पे गाड़ी अटक रही है, ये गाड़ी रुक रुक के चलेगी. See, this needs to be crossed. If this is crossed, मारुति में बैठ जाओ, टाटा मोटर्स में बैठ जाओ. टाटा मोटर्स को तो ऐसे भी छोड़ो ना. Okay, I am thinking of 600 in some months. Okay, so we'll see that also. Okay, but see, this is now the first target to cross, second target, third target. Okay, so auto sector has got some resistance over here, but ये ऊपर निकलेगा जरूर. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज टेल्को. आई एम टेलिंग टाटा मोटर्स. आई डोंट नो टेल्को क्या होता है, वो पुराना नाम मेरे को याद नहीं है किसी का भी. ओके, टिस्को, टेल्को, आई थिंक इट इज दैट ओनली. आई डोंट नो. हाँ, रहेगा. ओके, सो this is looking good for a breakout if it goes above this. It's already doing a band off on monthly. ओके, सो ये सब थोड़ा रिट्रेस होएगा. मंथली RSI 65 ना, जो यहाँ पे रेजिस्ट कर रहा था भाई साहब, अभी उसके ऊपर में है. तो एक बार चाहे तो 60 सपोर्ट के लिए आएगा, बट लुक एट द सेक्टर. ओके, सी दिस. आफ्टर मल्टीपल ईयर and a proper rounding on RSI, I must 60 breakout. So ये हारेगा नहीं. ये साल मैं बोलता हूँ ना, गीता और बबीता नए नए हाई मारते ही रहेंगे, और ये सब उसकी सब बाकी सब बहनें हैं. तो महावीर फोगाट के घर पे बहुत सारे गोल्ड मेडल जाने वाले हैं. और यहाँ पे तो हम डायमंड की बात करें, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर तो ये भी डायमंड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज अ बाय द वे गोल्डन सेक्टर, निफ्टी ऑटो. इट माइट कम अ लिटिल बिट डाउन. गीता बबीता कौन है नहीं मालूम क्या? निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी. और क्या है? सिंपल है. गीता बबीता तुमको नहीं मालूम यार? दंगल पिक्चर नहीं देखा क्या? Right, so that is where we are. So let's write down for auto also. Auto has become golden sector. Okay. Hmm. ये पूरा निकाल देंगे अभी हम. And let's write down the new thing. Daily has amp set up with confirmation. uh, Weekly the bearish divergence setup. Monthly is bullish with Bangalore. So high time frame rules. So finally, daddy will pull up mummy and the bacha daily. Okay, so this is daddy, this is mummy, this is bacha. ओके सो बच्चा थोड़ा वीक है तो मम्मी थोड़ा वीक होएगी क्योंकि हमेशा मम्मी को बच्चे के साथ लगा हुआ रहता है लेकिन पापा गवर्न करेंगे चलो ऊपर ओके सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू सी as far as monthly remains above 60 the family is strong okay so now let's see the stocks and let's get into trades. So we go back to futures. By the way, I know there are many new people out here today. See, mainly I do stock analysis on futures. Okay, so if you are trading equity, you will have to find the equity variants of the same stocks. Okay, because normally I'll be trading futures. I will not trade equity as much. Okay, and I think Hind Copper बोला गया था last week. So if anybody has bought, it has already been given 60 का 76 कुछ हुआ था कल. I don't know उसका closing क्या है, but it is looking good. Okay. Okay. So ये रहा पहला wicket और Nifty is at resistance here. 60 resistance on daily. Weekly is just crossing 61, so you can still say at 60 resistance. अरे यार. So Amar sir would be happy to see this. He gets a one shot trade. Okay, but Sambal ke, there is immediate support here of gap. Okay, so yes, ACC is one shot right now. So let's write down what we get. Pretty easy there. Cam and ultra cam. हाँ, that we will see. Cement में हम थोड़ा थोड़ा घुसेंगे. लेकिन let's see श्री कैम. बाप रे सराफ सर कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाते हो ओके बट मेनली सी अल्ट्रा कैम आई एम नॉट मच इंटरेस्टेड व्हाई बिकॉज उसका मार्जिन बहुत बड़ा है सर 3.5 लाख का मार्जिन है वो तो सब खा जाएगा शॉर्ट बिलो क्या डालेंगे 720 1720 ओके वी शुड अप्रोच target should be 1680 फर्स्ट टारगेट है ओके उतना भी मिला तो पास हो जाएगा अबे ये कैंडल तो बहुत बड़ा है 69 का स्टॉप लॉस पागल है एक मिनट आई विल हैव टू सी अनदर स्टॉप लॉसेस ओके 1750 half of the candle okay so this is one trade let's go to the next trade Oro Pharma does not look good. Let's first complete all the segments. Okay. Grassen, beautiful flag pattern है इसमें. Look at this. And look at the volumes also decreasing. So let's wait for this. Oh. See, a beautiful breakout trend line was there on this monthly trend line breakout. And see, it was a very good buy at 706 from where it has continued. So अगर आप लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए ऐसा सब ढूंढो ओके नॉर्मली ये क्या हुआ एक मिनट एक्चुअली मेरे को ये नीचे ले लेना चाहिए ये मेरे को टूल्स ऑपरेट करने नहीं दे रहा ओके किसी का डाउट है क्या डाउट है yeah it has gone one sided okay so this is how it is this is where it looks And right now this is looking good. So Grasim is okay. So you should not short Grasim. Let's see Ultra Cam. This is looking more beautiful. अरे कहाँ अपना टारगेट था 5550 वाला 3 हफ्ते पहले, और ये तो उससे भी 1000 रुपया ऊपर चढ़ चुका है। ना इट डज नॉट हैव एनीथिंग। ये देखो कुछ बैरिश बैरिश कुछ नहीं है इसमें, तो और भी भागेगा ये। सो अल्ट्रा कैम इज गॉन बियॉन्ड। इसको छोड़ दो, अभी इसमें एंट्री भी नहीं है। ओके, सो इफ एनीबॉडी इज होल्डिंग, होल्ड इट। ओके, एंड आई थिंक लास्ट ऑन द सेगमेंट वुड बी अल्ट्रा कैम देखा, एसीसी देखा, और नहीं, 3 तो हो गया। आई थिंक दैट इज इनफ। ओके, so now let's go to Reliance. One to my old love was Reliance, so we'll go to Reliance. Reliance, I don't think so it's going to do anything. See, it has got a bullish Harami at 40 support on weekly. So let's see if it bounces from here, and 60 support on monthly. Hmm. Okay. So Reliance is okay here right now. And also if you look at retracement, ओके, ये लेवल है अभी भी उसका इंटैक्ट, और ये यहाँ पे ही अब तक आके रुका है। ओके, सो आई एम नॉट मच इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस फेलो नाउ। See, main thing is Mukesh Ambani का health is deteriorating, and if anything happens to him, इसको रॉकेट नीचे आने में टाइम नहीं लगेगा. So it's better not to see this nowadays. Okay, let's go to Maruti. Let's start auto sector. So Maruti, we are already short, okay, but it is at this gap support now. So we'll have to see if this has any gap down, or it remains in this. So let's see. It has got a bullish Harami on weekly, but this is below 60 now. And even monthly it has been resisting 60. So this is the sad story of this stock. Okay, it's not able to cross monthly 60, and that is the reason why it is getting trapped. Okay, so 8,400 is the level it needs to cross, because that is also the level of resistance. Okay, see, it resisted here because it was this. So support broken with a big black, and this was the first CIP, first resistance at that level. Okay, so now I will have to wait for it to be crossed. और ये क्रॉस किया तो 10,000 वापस फटाक से मारेगा, फिर रुकेगा नहीं, फिर की तब बढ़ता जाते जाएंगे जाते जाएंगे। बट अभी इसके टायर्स पंचर है। ओके, so Maruti, I don't see any trade right now, so we'll not see that. We are already short on top bottom, so let it that be. Okay, let's look into the Bajaj and the auto. हमारा बजाज नया नया हाई मारते हुए, हैमर एंड शूटिंग स्टार combined, very good. Then 3 bar bearish divergence, अरे तारीख को बोलेगा at all time high. Okay, band walk on monthly. So again, it's a googly. I would not trade this, because see, it's at support, a hammer at support. Okay, so this can be a both side trade, but then the stop loss is very far. Okay, it's almost 200 points, so forget this also. Let's see escorts. ओरी बच्चा, क्या हुआ है? ये देखो, ये रेजिस्टेंस पे शूटिंग स्टार मारते ही जा रहा है. Okay, see, this is the resistance here. Okay, our previous all-time high, you can say that. Okay, so same level पे शूटिंग स्टार, दो शूटिंग स्टार, और क्या है इसमें? और कुछ नहीं है. Weekly is around 60 resistance. मंथली तो कुछ नहीं है, 60 सपोर्ट लेके भागा है ये मंथ में. ओके. Okay, so escort can have a short trade here. Short below क्या level है ये? Below this, target is 13.5. Sell is okay. So this becomes the stop loss and this becomes the target. Yeah, it can be retesting of shooting stars. So let's see that. Okay, so that's why I just it is a two shooting stars side by side. Okay, that is the reason why I've given shot below the first shooting star, not the new one. Friday का low के नीचे shot नहीं करना है. Okay, we need to shot below Thursday's low. Okay, so this goes away. ये क्या है? Okay, भाई इधर कुछ और मत लिखो. लिखो script अपना. Okay, so we saw escorts, we saw this Tata Motors I was talking about, right? So let me show you why I'm so bullish on this. Okay, it's a band walk. See, crossing of 60 after so many years. Okay, I don't know fundamentals about anything. Only looking at RSI, and this is not a small thing for a company, along with a band walk. Okay, so इसको अभी this is the first resistance around 360, 365. If this is crossed, okay, it comes down to around 440, 445. Above that, fine, 495, and then 550, and then it will be 600. Okay, so this is the way to go for this particular stock. And look at this, a perfect way for an entry, bullish divergence followed by bullish harami, and then giving all the targets. First target of W, second target of W. So everything has been met and it continues. See, after giving the second target of W, okay, which was around 275, okay, it retraced, and that is a healthy sign. It retraced, and so now it will rush. Okay, so that is the main reason you need to understand. ओके मैं ऐसे ही 600 नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये तो हर चार्ट में ऊपर ऊपर दिखेगा. बट व्हाई माय व्यू इज बिकॉज आफ्टर मंथली बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस मींस चेंज ऑफ ट्रेंड. ओके नाउ यू शुड सी दिस गोइंग अप टिल दिस, जहां से चालू हुआ है वहां पे आना चाहिए वापस. It's a monthly bullish divergence. It's not a choto moto bullish divergence. It's a very strong bullish divergence. Perfect. If you see the resistance at 20 MA falling back, and then some resistance at 20 mm before a breakout, and then it just continues. So ये सब चीज मिस करने जैसी नहीं है. Yeah, you should. And I think we were talking about this. संदीप तुम तो यार एवरी वीक रहते हो. अपना तो बाइंग कब से चालू था. यानी इक्विटी में तो लेके बैठ सकते हो यार. इक्विटी में तो ये स्टॉक वी आर होल्डिंग सिंस 90 रुपीज. सो वो तो लेके बैठ जाओ इसको, इसमें कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ये तो अच्छा है. बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस के टाइम से हम लोग इसको फॉलो कर रहे थे. It is a good stock. It and see, I normally I love cars. Okay, इसके लिए मैं तो ये सब उसका अभी का सब कार भी टेस्ट ड्राइव कर चुका है. Okay, Tata Nexon, it's really wonderful. खाली उसका नैनो पसंद नहीं आया था मेरे को. Okay, उसको छोड़ के I think I have liked all the cars of Tata. Now see, it is retraced also. मेरे ख्याल से एक मिनट रुको, डेली पे देखने दे.
सर नैनो तो इलेक्ट्रिकल आ रही है.
हाँ, नैनो इलेक्ट्रिकल आ रही है.
यस.
अरे बाप रे, तो कहाँ से आग निकलेगी अभी. Okay, see, this is where it is retraced also. A healthy retracement है. अभी ये चालू होता है ना अपसाइड मूव, इट्स गोइंग टू बी मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर, सो यू कैन बाय इट नाउ इफ इट स्टार्ट्स मंडे को, अगर पॉजिटिव है ना ये, तो ये लेना चाहिए. इट्स लुकिंग गुड, इट हैज रिट्रेस्ड टिल 38%. Okay, so if voice is low for you, I think you should adjust the voice in your Zoom. Okay, I don't think so. Is it low for everyone? Can anyone confirm that? Clear, okay.
No, it is okay, okay.
It's okay, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Amar sir. So now Tata Motors, so we saw this. Now I think let's go to the tires. I think Balkrishna is something which we should see, and then I'll go to MRF. I think Amar Saraf said for that also, and MRF तो ऐसे भी अपना जान जिगर है. Okay. See, MRF has got first 60 support. Okay. So let's see on that also. वो पता नहीं डेली सीआईपी किधर करेगा, वो 300 के आसपास है वो. उतना सोचो मत, खरीदने का है 600 के लिए तो 300 में खरीदा, 309 में खरीदो, इक्विटी में क्यों सोचने का इतना. फ्यूचर्स लेने वाले हो तो मैं ना ही बोलता हूँ, फ्यूचर्स मैं खुद नहीं करता हूँ टाटा मोटर्स का. उसका लॉट साइज देख के ही मैं तो नहीं करूँगा. So see, we had a flag which we have were discussing, I think, last to last week, and that's why we had multiple buy calls on MRF. This was done, and now it has about a retracement, healthy retracement. Okay, so after a healthy retracement, we should now see a rally back. See, it's almost around 61-50% say bounce back. It has been right now stopped at 25%. So see, now this is a practical learning as well. जिसने P1 किया है और Fibonacci किया है, right? We keep saying right that 61 is a golden ratio, but यहाँ से बाउंस बैक के लिए उसको ये सब रेजिस्टेंस भी क्रॉस करने पड़ेंगे, और ये देखो बेचारा इधर अटक गया. इसके ऊपर में बंद आता था ना, आई वुड हैव गिवन यू अ टारगेट ऑफ दिस एंड वी शुड हैव ट्रेडेड इट. But now it can come down to this level 88, 85 again, or if it crosses it might go here. So now we will have to wait for it. If you are holding it in equity, hold it for 1,10,000 as the uh, final one of the target, and that target was also breakout of this cup. 81,000 के ऊपर breakout है, 30,000 का cup है. Okay, 80,000, 81,000 है, नीचे 51,000 है. तो 51,000 and 81,000 का difference is 30,000. तो 80 के ऊपर plus 30,000 कर दो तो 1,10,000 आता है. So that is the target, first target. ना उसके बाद कितना और जाएगा मालूम नहीं. DLF, I'll let you know. Let us finish all the stocks. DLF has a cup breakout, by the way. Okay, so you can have it. I don't know. I will not trade it on futures, but if you want, you can buy it on equities. Okay, it is a cup breakout. Look at this. This is the breakout of cup. Okay, so DLF is a cup breakout. And see, same story. Okay, people who knows this RSI values, so this is a rounding pattern and after a multi-year breakout. So DLF looks good to be bought in equity. I will not trade this in futures. Okay, considering the lot size, I normally don't trade it. Okay, but here also there is an M setup right now. So we need to see if it breaks the low, it might come down till this level, because this is the first target of the M. It's a perfect M setup. As per RSI, it looks perfect M setup. Okay, so we'll have to watch out for the stocks. Okay, we'll check. So auto is already done. Farzad, if you want M&M, you send me the chart. I will tell you later on. Okay, so we are already running late. Okay, we are already 1 hour done. So let us now go फटाफट. So I think MRF भी मैंने देख लिया. बालकृष्ण बाकी था. ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? Balkrishna. So Balkrishna, our first target was 1824, and that was also of this. Okay, so it is broken down on this cup, and there was the first target of 1824 which has been achieved, which was the target for this. So now we'll have to wait for a new entry. But see, it is again the buy given in Diwali was for this first 60 support. Okay, so this is where we had given a buy call. Okay, and I think the buy was about 1600. 1600 se buy tha till 1824 was the target, and we achieved it last week thanks to the government. And see, here also it has taken it, and this is now maddening. Weekly cup. Okay, so Balkrishna has a weekly cup as well. It's a beautiful pattern, and we might see this things running up. इसका पहला टारगेट उससे भी बड़ा है. बाप रे भाई, किधर पहुंचेगा सब टायर वायर. भाई इतना महंगा टायर मत बनाओ, हम कैसे खरीदेंगे. ओके सर, बाय ओके बट एग्जिट सेटअप किस पे. व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग सराफ सर. अच्छा, श्री कैंप का बात कर रहे हो क्या? वो मैं देख लेता हूँ. ओके, we are still not on the finances side. We are in auto sector, and we don't have any trade right now else on this. I'll see it is coming to first 60 support as well. If the first 60 support is taken, and this is the CIP also here, so 775 onwards. So let's see. We might see a buy call on Balkrishna in coming week. Okay. So Balkrishna हो गया, टायर्स हो गया. अमर सर का एक बार अपोलो टायर्स देख लेते हैं. He loves it. So let me see that. There is a bearish divergence setup, but let it confirm. ये देखो बहुत सारा गैप है इसमें, so I would suggest not to trade this right now. 3 bar bearish divergence also on weekly, but the entry is too low. जाने दो. And see, this is also a multi-year breakout. अरे ये साल पूरा बुलिश है यार, छोड़ दो ये सब चीज. Okay, so Apollo tire goes. So now let's go to Hindi Unilever. Let's go to the FMCG. ये बट्टा देखो, डेली पे 40 क्रॉस कर रहा है. सो ये ओके. सो आई नो सराफ से रिमेम्बर हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि इसमें कुछ तो एक्यूमुलेशन चल रहा है. ये देखो वॉल्यूम अच्छा खासा है. हम लोग लाइव ट्रेडिंग के टाइम पे वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. सी बैक टू बैक टू डोजीज एंड नाउ अ वाइट कैंडल. So you can also say this as a morning star at 40 support. By the way, you can club these two dojis, make it single doji, and black doji and a white below the black. So it's a morning star at 40 support. So it looks good. Hammer on weekly. Tin, 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 ta, ta. So we got the first buy call in the Unilever. Okay, buy above. Buy ani. Suja. Buy about this. Might have some 47, 48 rupees reward and some 40 to 43. So 1:1 maybe risk reward. Okay. Actual target should be till here, till the gap. Okay, but I'm keeping first target as this and second target as this. Yeah, in finance we will see that, don't worry. Finance तक पहुंचा ही नहीं हूँ मैं. अभी तो हम FMCG तक पहुंचे हैं. So Hindustan Unilever. Now let's go to. I know Asian Paint is not FMCG. Okay, but let me look at Asian Paint. नहीं तो वो छूट जाएगा. because it is also looking good with bullish divergence setup. So ये मैंने actually कल देख लिया था, sorry यार. See, it has got a bullish divergence setup daily पे. Okay, weekly is just below 60 and it's broken 60, and monthly is resisting upper band. Okay, so now it's a good setup here on daily. Two four three zero. So zero. Bullish divergence. First target should be this. Okay, 2380. Okay, so this also looks decent enough target for Asian Paint. So we have got already four stocks. Okay, we'll filter down. So let's see what it comes down to. Okay, so Asian Paints looks good. Okay, let's go to Marico. Oh, आदि करो तो भाई काम पे जाने दो. See, it's a shooting star, but at 60 support. So if it breaks down, it can go more down and back to back. But this is also at 60 support and first 60 support. तो जाने दो. CIP भी हो सकता है 404 रुपये. So मैरिको को छोड़ दो. ओके, क्या बोलूं? Buy should be on closing basis or crossing basis. Crossing basis, Om Prakash, anytime. Okay, it should be on crossing basis. Bajaj Consumer Manish, I don't think so. It is available on क्या बोलता है फ्यूचर्स में नहीं है वो. Bajaj Consumers, yeah, उसमें है. We'll see later on. Okay, don't worry. If you have any ideas on that, we will see on that. Okay. Britannia, 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 Marigold at CIP, Doji at CIP, monthly, weekly at Doji at again CIP. अरे तारी तो भली तय करवा सो मांगे जा स्टॉक. Oh, this is again at 40 support and this buy is only above the trend line breakout. I will not buy below it, before it. Okay, so जाने दो. We already have some calls on buy also. On daily bullish divergence on daily किस में अच्छा हाँ, अमर सर ने पूछा, उसका विशेष आंसर दिया. ओके सर, बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस है. सो लेट मी गो बैक. सो अमर सर, एशियन पेंट. Sir, this bullish divergence, see this 32.86 and 33. So it's bullish divergence setup. That's it. And that's why you draw trend line and a breakout of trend line is your entry. It's a clear cut bullish divergence. That's it. So we saw Britannia, Marico, and Hindustan Unilever also on your thing. So now let's go to DRR. DRR now seems to be a buy, but we'll have to see because it's also at a resistance. Okay, so maybe time to book some profits here. So let's see what it does. So it's right now at a resistance. See this. Okay, so we might see it still coming back, or if it crosses 40 and goes up. So both sides possible on DRR. So wait and watch. Ah, this is looking good. So 5,000 can be seen actually on weekly charts. Monthly 60 support. अरे बीजू सूझ रहा है, दिख रहा है ले ले. See, this is looking good on all the time frames. Apart of this, it is just crossing 40. Okay, so monthly to weekly shows to buy Dr. Reddy now. Okay, so let's see if we see a good moment. Okay, results of DRR in this week. Okay, see, mainly it will have a rally post before the results, and on charts it's showing right now. So if it does not go below this, I think it is good to be hold for 5,000 as the next target. So 5,000 is also upper band here. Sorry, center band here. So center band can be achieved. Let's see. So we can have it coming here. So Dr. Reddy looks good. Let's see my Sipra. Cipolla. Sipra is at 60 resistance, and see it's been resisting this level since some time now. Okay. Ah, yeah, first 60 support taken after this. So first 60 तो नहीं बोल सकते इसको. बेचारा 60 के ऊपर ही था, क्यों नीचे गिराया था इसको. It also has got a bearish divergence of 4 bar. So we'll have to wait and see what it does. Monthly looks strong. No bearishness at all on monthly. So Cipla looks good to me. Okay. Then is Europa. अमिताभ बच्चन क्या बोलता है. अमिताभ बच्चन देखो इसके वजह से अटक गया है. सो ये गैप डाउन है इधर. ये गैप डाउन की वजह से अटका पड़ा है ये अगर गैप क्लोज करेगा तो ही चलेगा. तो इसको अभी छोड़ दिया गया है. इट इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग फॉर 60 सपोर्ट. नो बेरिशनेस बिकॉज the closing of this is below the closing of this, so no bearishness, and this is also for 60 support on this. So this also looks good. So pharma is looking interesting, huh, by the way. Oro is good buy. Cipla is looking good, but Oro we need to buy it only above the gap closure. DRR looked good. Let's see the DVH. DVH भैया क्या बोलते हैं. दिग्विजय भैया भी काफी भाग गए हैं. कल ही काफी भागे लगते हैं ये वीक में. Okay, so this does not have any bearish divergence. Hmm. So even DVs now there is not much entries. Okay, it was in some entry here, but will now avoid. DVs देख लिया सर. वो अपना जो लिस्ट है वो तो रहेगा, वो टेंशन मत लो. Okay, so DVs also I would now wait. If you are holding it, hold it, but there is no new entry on it. So we saw pharma, we saw FMCG, we saw auto, and we saw key stocks of Nifty. Now let's go to finance. Our Nirmala Sitaraman candles all. HDFC Bank. Now this is looking strong with two dojis and then again a breakout here. A good breakout on weekly, all above all-time high, and C60 support taken by it. Strong. Okay, so HDFC looks quite strong. I would not like any entries here, but if you have an entry, keep 1522 as your stop loss. Okay, below the doji high should be your stop loss. So this looks interesting. ICICI, the bank. पिया पिया क्या तोड़ दिया. देखो मस्त ऑल टाइम हाई 550 के ऊपर में. And this was also a good buy by the way. So 60, 60, 60, everything is above 60. A ब्यूटीफुल फ्लैट पैटर्न है इसमें भी. अरे बैंक निफ्टी को शॉर्ट मत करना ये 1-2 महीना, छोड़ देना उसको. बावरा हो गया गीता अपना, वो भागते रहेगा. ये देखो सब बैंक्स देखो क्या फॉर्मेशन में है. इधर से कहाँ जाएगा मालूम नहीं, ये जब तक 600 के नीचे नहीं बंद होता तब तक आई विल बी बुलिश ओनली ऑन दिस, एंड ऑल्सो हाफ ऑफ दिस कैंडल, सो 584 580, भाई माफी कर दो अभी इसको तो। बैंक निफ्टी लगता है अपने को टॉप बॉटम में जगह देगा ही नहीं। आईसीआईसीआई एक्सिस देखो, अभी अपना निरंजन बाबू को पगार कितना मिलेगा, उसको बोनस मिलेगा, अभी तो ऑल टाइम हाई पे आ गया। फर्स्ट 60 सपोर्ट, सी दिस, कहाँ बैंक निफ्टी बेचारा जगह देगा अपने को, और जगह ही नहीं देगा। ये देखो, ये रेजिस्टेंस था उसको, वहां से भाई साहब थोड़ा नीचे रिट्रेस हो गए लास्ट वीक। ओके, बट एक बार इसको वापस क्रॉस किया 830 पे आ ही जाएगा। हो सिट, दिस इज द फॉलोइंग थिंग, नाउ वी नीड टू क्रॉस 60 ऑन मंथली। ओके, सो ये एक बार क्रॉस किया तो ये भी बावरा इधर तक तो आ ही जाएगा। ओके, सो वी माइट सी टिल हियर। ओके, we might see this coming till here. Okay, Larson was already a buy above 1180, so अभी मैं कुछ उसका देखने वाला नहीं हूँ। Okay, it's already in a rally. It was a buy about a breakout, and that has already been done and dusted. I think 2 months back only, 1 month back itself, we had discussed LNT. Axis भी ऊपर है। Now let's go to the main king. Main king was last week का एक ही king था, SBIN. I hate this PSU banks and looking at PSU banks, but ये बाबू ने तो एकदम कमाल कर दिया, ये देखो। And I know संदीप किल मी क्योंकि मैंने उसको बोला था इसमें मत गिरना, बाकी सब बैंक्स उठाओ लेकिन ये मत उठाओ। But see, this has done like, कहाँ से भागा है ये क्या मालूम है। इट हैड अ बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस बहुत पहले, एंड वहां से थोड़ा 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 करके ऊपर आया, फिर वापस गिरा, फिर 40 सपोर्ट लिया। No, Hans, it has just traveled, but this week is the turnaround. From below 300, it has crossed 400. Okay, so this was the only week where it has done. And see, Doji at 60, by the way. So trust RSI more than anything else you trust in your life. See this, Doji at 60, and then the high crossed. This was your entry, and it just went like this. Okay, so Doji and RSI and all those things are not just theoretical, they really work. But now see this, shooting star at all time high. Okay, so it now has got a shooting star at all now. हाँ वही 180 में था जब तुमने पूछा था, एंड आई थिंक आई टोल्ड यू टू बाय आईसीआईसीआई एंड एक्सिस बैंक, एचडीएफसी बैंक, बट उसमें भी आई थिंक यू वुड हैव गॉट, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू ट्रेडेड इट और नॉट, बट यस हाँ। सो वो सब चीज भी अच्छा भागा, लेकिन ये खाली ये लास्ट हफ्ते में, अच्छा आईसीआईसीआई, यस दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग, इट इज लुकिंग मोर बेटर देन थिंग्स, and it is also now also at a new all time high. So see, my main thing is मेरे को ना गवर्नमेंट स्टॉक्स पे इतना मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता है। Suggest target for SBIN. SBIN target would now not be much because see, it has got a shooting star. So apart of this bit crossed, I would see some retracement onto it. Okay, so now I don't see that it's going to be there. I think it will come down once at 380 for support, and from there on it can start moving again. But right now I don't suggest any much target, but you can expect long term around 450 500 levels on this stock. बिकॉज सी बैंक निफ्टी का टारगेट मैं बोलूंगा ना तो तुम लोग को वापस लगेगा मैं बौखला गया हूँ। लास्ट वीक को 35,000 बोला था, वो तो ये वीक में मार दिया। अभी आज भी मैं मेरा टारगेट तो इज अराउंड 50,000 इन दिस 3 to 6 months, यू विल सी बैंक निफ्टी अराउंड दैट। ओके, बट देन इन दैट केस एसबीआई ने ये भी तुम ले ही सकते हो, दे ऑल विल फ्लाई। Kotak will be also good. Kotak is already all time high, so you don't have to much wait for it. Kotak is looking good, and it has closed the gap. Gap बंद हो गया Kotak का. So weekly gap filled. Daily it is also at and above 60. This gap been filled. So now we just need to see what it does here. इसके ऊपर जाना चाहिए, बस हो गया। हाँ कर लो, टॉप बॉटम की एंट्री है ही नहीं। मैंने बजट डे पे लाइव ट्रेडिंग पे बोला था बाय ओनली अबाउट 31,300, और गुड दैट आई वेंट फॉर अ मूवी, नहीं तो मेरा वो पोजीशन नहीं बनता था। 31,300 आई एम होल्डिंग, 31,350 पे एंट्री लेके बैठा था, और उस दिन का लो जो था उसको स्टॉप लॉस रखा था। आई थिंक मैंने 31,000 को स्टॉप लॉस डाल दिया था, 350 पॉइंट का। अभी जाने दो, अभी तो मैं वो कुछ देखता ही नहीं हूँ। सो टॉप बॉटम का हिसाब से एंट्री, वी आल्सो आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि बजट डे इट विल क्रॉस 33,000। मैं तो मूवी देख के बाहर निकला, बिकॉज मूवीज जस्ट स्टार्टेड, आई थिंक सिनेमा स्टार्टेड इन मुंबई, तो मैं और परेश तो बजट है तो भाग जाते हैं, हम लोग बैठते भी नहीं है। सो कोटक इज लाइक दैट। नाउ लेट्स सी Bajaj brothers, okay, what they are doing, let's see. Bajaj Finance. Oh, this looks little bit correction mode. We might see it coming down to 53.90. Yes, bearish divergence on weekly, and monthly looks okay. See, ये भी मैंने last week भी बोला था, it is at 60 support, bearish candle but at 60 support. So bearish candle is of no significance if it is at support. That is the main idea, which has been, you know, quite recently been said in the P1 training. Right? So we keep saying that, and look at this. Beautiful 25% of retracement. अभी इसमें भी एक्सटेंशन मिल सकता है, तो जितेश कटारिया को हम पैसा कमा के देते हैं, रुको, कि ये उनका कंपनी है। सी फर्स्ट टारगेट मैट ऑल्सो, एक्सटेंशन का फर्स्ट टारगेट भी आ गया था इसका। क्या है ये, ऐसे कैसे जाता है यार, ये 56.29 तक जाके है, नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज 58.60। क्या जितेश भाई क्या करने वाले हो, आप लोग को ईसॉप्स मिल रहा है क्या, इसके लिए इतना है क्या? सर मेरा कंपनी नहीं है, अरे आपका ही तो है, आप उधर ही तो हो, और किधर हो, यू आर देयर और फिनसर्व में हो आप, यू आर इन बजाज फाइनेंस ओनली नो, और बजाज फिनसर्व यू आर इन, बजाज फिनसर्व यू आर। अच्छा, तो मतलब तुम तो 10,000 वाली कैटेगरी में आते हो। मन्नपुरम इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, let me check, okay. See, and let's see Bajaj Finserv also. So finance भी हो गया अपना। ए गलत जा रहा ये रहा। Oh, so this has been resisted at all-time high, but it is at 60 support and bounced. So let's wait. ये भी 60 के support पे ही है. So this is also looking okay, and this is just cross 60. So all time frame is above 60, so it's a golden stop and at support. So let's see whether it bounces from here or not. So buy about 9, अरे ये क्या, buy about 10,000, buy about 10,000, किसकी हिम्मत होने वाली मालूम नहीं। Okay, so 10,034 is the previous high, buy above that. That is what it comes to. Okay, and maybe sell below this for a target of 91. So 96 a short should give you 500 points. Okay, so either or is possible. Let's see. Okay, so we saw finance, we saw FMCG, we saw auto, and we saw pharma. अभी लास्ट कौन सा बचा, कोई बचा है क्या? आईटी, अरे आईटी, आईटी तो मेन है क्योंकि उसमें ही बुलिश है सब। ओ बापू, टीसीएस इज एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस एंड गैप रेजिस्टेंस, ये देखो, ये भाई साहब इसके लिए ऊपर ही नहीं गया, 60 रेजिस्टेंस एंड दिस। ओ दिस इज लुकिंग गुड। डोजे, अरे ये भाई थोड़ा रिट्रेस होगा जिंदगी में, ये देखो बैंडो कंटिन्यूज विद द डोजी अगेन। If anybody is holding it in your equity, you should keep holding with 3060 as your trailing stop loss है, क्योंकि एक बार ये डोजी का लो तोड़ेगा ना, it will come below the band and then it will retrace match, at least it will come down for some support here, क्योंकि ये भी यही सपोर्ट के बिना ही भागा है, सीआईपी के बिना ही भागा है, so you should expect it to come down a bit. So दूसरा कौन सा, इनपी, ओ बाबा, अरे नहीं तो see RSI is flying above. This looks okay, this is also, so see We saw some positive signs on Nifty IT, and the stocks of Nifty IT are showing bullish harami at 60 support. TCS followed by Infi. Okay, but they are all below here, so there can be some movement on the upside for the stocks in this week. And my view is if financials will rest, IT will run. Okay, so let's see that. IT and pharma both should run if finance has to rest for a week or two. Okay, so that is where Infi and Dr. Reddy and all can do something good. So we saw pharma was also looking good for a buy, and same as this. So let's understand that. Okay, and let's see Tech Mahindra. वो सब 40 सपोर्ट के आसपास नहीं है ये और इसको ये this is more better actually because it does not have any gap. अरे बाप रे doji at 60, look at this, doji at 60, so more powerful, and again doji around here, so we'll have to see what it does here now. So Tech Mahindra also looks good. New buy can be initiated in future. Yeah, you can do it. In IT, yes. In future, yes, you can. So normally my trade on IT would be TCS, okay, rather than other, but it will depend on your risk appetite. If you are trading quantities above 800,000, then you can go for such also. Even Mindtree looks good. I think उसने तो नया high भी मार दिया. So Mindtree, I think I would buy above this level. See, it also has got a bullish Harami at 60 support. Yeah, that's why IT is looking good overall. बट वह कितना जाएगा यार आगे मंथली RSI 80 के ऊपर जाके आता है ये सब. IT is really looking good. Okay, so now let's see. I think Manappuram किसने बोला था from Manappuram. So from investment point of view, I would wait. Okay, monthly 60 is still not been breached. So only if it goes above 60 on monthly is the time to enter into this stock. Okay, then okay, I think मनीष का कौन सा स्टॉक था? Bajaj Consumer, I think he had said. Bajaj Consumers. I would still wait. I would still wait. It is doing band walk, but it is at 60 resistance. See, understand, ये buy था इधर. See, first 40 support on monthly is always a good buy for investment. तो आपका buy इधर किधर हो जाता है 209 का, अभी उसने almost 40%, 40% तो नहीं बोल सकते. हाँ 40%, right? 200 का 280 is 40%. See, now it has got shooting star पे shooting star. I would avoid that. ये देखो. Unless until the high is crossed, I will not buy this. I will not buy this right now.
सर 40 पे लिया है तो होल्ड है ना?
हाँ 40 पे लिया तो होल्ड है. इधर लिया है तो यार क्यों? तो क्या फर्क ही पड़ता है. ये देखो डेली 40 था, वीकली भी 60 था, तो दिस इज अ गुड बाय ओनली ना मनीष.
ओके,
आपने तो किया है ना अपना स्ट्रेटेजीज.
यस यस.
ये वाला, सो दिस वाज अ गुड बाय. एंड सी हिंद कॉपर जो मैंने लास्ट वीक भी सजेस्ट किया था 71 पे है अभी. सी दिस इज द रीजन फॉर मी टू बाय इट. Multi-year breakout on RSI and first 60 support taken. Now I'm expecting this as my first target. ये इसके ऊपर गया ना तो ये बौखला जाएगा, क्योंकि फिर my second target is going to be this depth. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that yeah, this can be another Tanla. चिराग पप्पा ने कह दीजिए ना, another Tanla birthday gift in copper. Okay, so this can be this. Okay, so this is looking good for another target also. So that's why this is looking good in copper. And I think I had said two more things, adding more. Yeah, you can add more. Yes, you can. She can. Okay, Saraf sir wants, so I will see. See, for Saraf sir and Amar sir, I will check everything what they say, because they are, at this age also very passionate about trading. So I really love them both. कौन सा बोला था मैंने? टेक सोल्यूशन बोला था. Okay, so let me show. So take solution is also a good thing to be bought. Okay, the reason now is different. Okay, जो मैंने मनीष को भी बताया. See, this is the reason. First 40 support on monthly. Okay, so now this, और मैंने buy भी बोला था I think 68 या 69 के ऊपर में. Okay,
Yeah.
so this also looks good. So if it goes above this, you can expect 120 as your first target. So take solution looks good for me. And see, earlier also it has done that same thing. See, क्रॉसिंग ऑफ 40 सपोर्ट. ये देखो, कोई भी स्टॉक है ना, अगर अच्छा कैटेगरी का है ना, वो 40 के नीचे ज़्यादा टिकता नहीं है मंथली पे, और 40 आते ही बाउंस मारता है. Okay, so this is something which I'm just giving you for free for all those who are new. Okay, how to trade RSI. And RSI पे आप मेरे को कुछ भी पूछो, मैं आपको कुछ भी आंसर दे सकता हूँ, because that is my strength. Yeah, for new entry only I'm taking out. TTML, Amar sir, you keep it with you. I'm telling you, वो तो है ना, नीचे देखने का नाम नहीं ले रहा है. वो लोअर सर्किट तो छोड़ो, वो सर्किट पे खुलता है और उधर ही चला जाता है. But I would suggest, keep some sort of target in your mind. And I think I know, okay, आपने आपका पैसा निकाल लिया. You are only now holding your money, profit का money. Okay, बाकी इसमें ये देखो, this is another example. See a breakout over this. Now wait for a new target भी मैं आपको देता हूँ. रुको रुको रुको. This is now the breakout of the cup. So 26. वो तो मेरे ख्याल से ये next week में ही मार देगा. Okay, so it's looking good, and then it might be 32 and maybe 36. So you can keep holding it.
और एक स्नोमैन बोला था.
स्नोमैन कैन भी बोला था. स्नोमैन कैन थोड़ा अटक गया है. Okay, so वो see it has gone below 60 now. So it was monthly at 60 support, तब तक ठीक था. और मैंने बोला है कि 67 या 70 के ऊपर बाई बोला था.
Yeah.
So अभी now if it goes above 70, again you can buy it, because then it will bounce from 60 and it will go. Now Snowman Logistic, I don't know ज्यादातर, बट जब भी मैंने बाई डाला था ना, तब मेरे को किसी ने कॉल करके पूछा था कि आर यू अवेयर स्नोमैन इज एक्चुअली द ओनली लॉजिस्टिक कंपनी विच हैज गॉट रेफ्रिजरेटर वाली गाड़ियाँ, और वैक्सीन के लिए वो लगेगी. बट अभी वैक्सीन भी आ गए और किसी ने गाड़ी नहीं लिया रहेगा, तो बेचारा गिर गया है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इसका बाय वाज ओनली अबाउट दिस. बट सी, लुक एट व्हाट आई वाज सजेस्टिंग यू. 40 पे बाय करो, मंथली 40. और अगर आपको थोड़ा भी आरएसआई पता है, there was a bullish divergence here. See this RSI and see this RSI. Okay, and then it started moving up. Okay, simple from 40 support, 40 to 60 भी अगर आप देखते थे ना, तो 25 से 60 is here. So maybe this candle 25 का 58 होने को टाइम नहीं लगा उसको. इतना जल्दी तो बैंक में भी डबल नहीं होता है. Right, so that's why search for stocks, search in this manner, you get them beautifully. Okay, so this is a बाकी सब stocks I think we are done now. 12:30 हो चुका है. I'll just see, I think one stock which someone suggested, दालमिया भारत. अभी ये सब तो मैं कभी देखता नहीं. Okay, so this is the last stock. दालमिया भारत, ये है क्या? शुगर है क्या ये? नहीं, ये भी खत्म हो गया अभी. 60 रेसिस्ट कर रहा है ये. So शुगर खत्म हो गया स्टोरी. सी, ये भी कप पैटर्न था. देखो, मैं ऐसे ही कप का ऐसे ही सब नहीं निकल रहा था. ये देखो, इसने भी दिया रहेगा उसका 3 times 4 times दिया है. दैट इज द पावर ऑफ कप. सी दिस, then if I keep copying it, ये zigzag बनाना तो कॉपी भी नहीं होने वाला. अरे इसको कॉपी क्या कर रहा है भाई सर? इसको कॉपी कर, चलेगा. ये देखो, मतलब इसका और इधर तक एक रहेगा, और ऑलमोस्ट 3 times it has given. So cup patterns are very powerful. And see, this is also multi-year breakout above 60. okay, and then it has just gone up. So ये सब चीज हमेशा देखो और ये सब ट्रेड करो. फालतू का किसी के कहने पे कुछ भी मत खरीदते बैठो मार्केट में. Okay, so I think good enough. Okay, this is दालमिया शुगर, नॉट दालमिया भारत. दालमिया भारत और दालमिया शुगर में क्या है? ये भी दालमिया भारत ही तो है. आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट. अच्छा ये वाला है क्या, भारत लिमिटेड? इसमें क्या समझेंगे क्योंकि ये तो अभी अभी चालू हुआ है. इट डज नॉट हैव मच डेटा आल्सो टू सी. सो इट्स राइट नाउ अबाउट द ऑल टाइम हाई. सो जब तक इसके ऊपर रहता है तब तक ठीक है. आई वुड सजेस्ट स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ आई थिंक दिस. इसमें टारगेट कुछ नहीं मिल पाएगा क्योंकि ये इसमें चार्ज ही नहीं है ज़्यादा. ये अभी अभी आया लगता है मार्केट में 1-1.5 साल पहले. सो अबाउट दिस इफ इट स्टेज इट इज ओके. बिलो दैट this can be your stop loss. So here also there is a breakout level here, but और कुछ है नहीं इसमें. क्योंकि डेटा ही नहीं है इसमें, क्या देखेंगे. And there is no volume here now. See, volume dried up. अरे spinning top with volume नहीं है, but I think see if the high crosses keep it, if the low crosses exit it. It's a spinning top at all time high maybe. Yes, this is I think the all time high. It's a spinning top with good volume at all time high. So if the high crosses, continue to hold. If the low crosses, exit and then only enter if this is crossed. Simple. Okay, so I think last streak हम देख लेते हैं and then we will and
कमल सर,
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
हाँ, कॉपर में इंडिया का बड़ा प्लेयर कौन है?
क्या मालूम भाई, मेरे को चार्ट्स पता है, ज्योग्राफी नहीं पता है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
ज्योग्राफी और हिस्ट्री यार गूगल को पूछो यार.
नहीं नहीं,
वेदांता
कॉपर.
वेदांता वेदांता
अच्छा
वेदांता?
वेदांता.
यस
ओके ओके. हाँ, क्योंकि कॉपर का भी डिमांड बढ़ेगा इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन की वजह से ना, कार्स का.
अच्छा ऐसा
तो
तो है.
एवरग्रीन है.
हाँ
अच्छा
हाँ.
देखो ये सब मेरे को नहीं मालूम. मैंने हिंद कॉपर में इसके लिए 60 से सबको बोल रहा हूँ बाय करो. मेरे को कुछ नहीं
Okay.
मालूम. अब ये सब चीज तुम लोग फंडामेंटल देखते बैठो भाई, वो मेरा बस का
नहीं.
बात नहीं है.
ओके ओके.
अब एक बार
Thank you.
टीटीएमएल का डेली और वीकली चार्ट देखो, ऐसा चार्ट देखने को नहीं मिलेगा.
मालूम है, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, सर्किट है वो. सर
Yes,
वैसा
डेली सर्किट.
वैसा चार्ट है ना. मैंने इंग्लिश इंडिया क्ले का देखा था 2007 और 2008 में. एंड आई नो माई मिस्टेक बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम आई हैड नॉट लर्नड द टेक्निकल वेज. I entered at 900. It went straight away. Daily circuit लगा के 3600. I finally sold them at 230 rupees. Because when the lower circuit started, I was only able to exit at 230.
Because you cannot exit afterwards.
Yeah, you cannot exit because जो सर्किट से सर्किट जाता है ना, वो सर्किट से सर्किट ही गिरता है. फिर उसमें कुछ नहीं होता है.
उसी चक्कर में मैं निकलता गया.
नहीं बट ठीक है ना. Now you are holding with your profits only, no? So that is fine.
Yes.
Then you should not bother.
Yes.
Vedanta is at first 60 support on daily. Or weekly be first 60 support and bounce after that. So we have a good candle here. So Vedanta looks good. So if anyone wants to buy, but I would just suggest, see again 40 support and see a bounce. 94 ka 194. So this is doubling of your money. This is what monthly 40 means. And see, it was first 40 support after breaking of 40, and this was the first 40 support. So now I would not suggest a buy unless until it crosses 60. Okay, and there is got a gap resistance also. See, this is a gap resistance 195. So buy only if it crosses 200. Otherwise not. So that's it. Okay. So thank you all, and see you next time. Because they are not traded in none other index are traded in futures. Only Gita and Babita are traded. ठीक है. बाकी सब बहनें तो अभी स्टेट लेवल पे खेल रही है. इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खाली 2 ही जने रहे. दैट इज हाउ इट इज.
3 including financial service.
Financial services. Now financial services has been added. Yes, you're right. Okay. Good day, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye. See you.
Bye, bye, bye.